Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox TWS Gaming Earbud from boAt. The model number is boAt Immortal Katana blade. I purchased it from Amazon in a sale for around 2000 Indian rupees. The current price is 2300 Indian rupees. So I got this on a sale, so that's why 300 rupees less. Anyway, it got delivered today, so let us see how the product. So this is the bill, as you can see. It's 2000 rupees. So here is the package. On the side we have some of the feature. It has a beast mode and also 50 millisecond latency. The playtime is total 50 hours. We also have some RGB LEDs. On the back we have some of the features also, like it has the boAt signature sound, dual mics with ENX technology, which will clear the voice while you are on call. Then we have the IWP technology, so it's like instant wake and pair. And then we have the ASAP charge, means this will charge very fast. Also, this is the IPX4 water resistance and it comes with Bluetooth version 5.3. Also, we have a small thing here, like upon 10 minutes of ASAP charging, we will get 180 minutes of playback. In the bottom we have some of the details. The price printed here is 4000 rupees. So let us see. So inside the box, first we get the earpod. We'll just look that after a few minutes. First, let us see what are the accessories that we get. Okay, so here we get a USB-C cable to charge this earpod. Then we have some documentation. This is the FAQ card. Okay, we get some of the cool stickers here. Then we have this setup guide, I think. And a couple of more advertising pamphlet from boAt. This is the warranty card. We have to scan the code and enable the warranty. And this is the thank you card from boAt. So now let us look in the earpod itself. So in first touch, this is metal casing. So the feel is really good here. Here we have the USB-C charging port and a reset port reset button. So let us just open this one and see. It should it should make a sound of a blade opening, hence the name it is Katana blade. Ah, that's nice. Okay. So here are the earpods. This is plastic, but the case is metal. Okay, so we got another sound effect on closing of this earpod. This is the opening sound, and there are two RGB LED. On closing also we have this sound. Okay, so this button also works as a switch to the RGB. Yeah. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.